What's up, Funnel? I'm already sleepy. I haven't even started streaming. Oh, he's here to siphon the gas from my tank already. Bro, I don't even have any viewers yet, and you're already trying to open the siphon. Unbelievable. I have 5 viewers. Guys, are we popping off? Are we doing it? Is this what fame is like? I can't compete with the Cobbinger who gets a level 15 hype train, just casually. All he has to do is turn on stream for 8 days in a row, and then he gets a level 15 hype train. Like, come on. That's must be nice. Good morning, useless princess. What's up, Nightshade dude? How's everybody doing? I'm one can of monster deep, and we're vibing. Definitely vibing. What's my heart rate? Let's not put that up on the screen. Okay. We're chilling at 83. 83 BPM. That's how you know. The adrenaline is going. It's that taurine. What even is taurine? Nobody knows. Hello, Shreyas. What up? We've already got some first and second redeem enjoyers. Very good. Any thirds? There it is. Writing some Go and WebSockets and stuff? And you call yourself awesome? Very humble of you. CodeByte Dev, thank you for the follow. What up? What brings you in? You're a cow. Hello, cow. First, my bot was here first. Liars. All right, let's close some stuff. All right. Oh, you're from the Coppinger. Well, welcome in. What are we doing today? We're mooing. We're making the cows moo. We're closing some windows. We're getting some follows. Nate Dunn, thank you for the follow. I know you. All right. Oh, okay. That's bright. What's the plan? I need to put my dashboard over here. VTuber journey. Yes. The VTuber journey has begun. Balls. Where is my stuff? We were doing this in PowerShell for some reason. This thing. No Python? Oh, wait. What was the folder called? Oh, jeez. Was it Open CFace? Open CFace. Boom. Alright, my camera is active. I wonder how the tracking is going to be with my lights off. Probably pretty terrible. Let me turn on the light. Alright. Bright light in my face. We gotta get Godot open. I got the mouth working? Kind of. It's not very good, but it does stuff. It moves around. This is where we left off. I can open my mouth, I can talk. Blah 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 blah. Alright, have a good night, Nightshade dude. It's like it's not, you know, it's not perfect, but it's moving. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck with a singular throw? I don't know. 10. 9? It looks weird because your body is very still. Well, so you're not gonna see the full body most of the time. Like we're gonna have like, because I'm gonna be in the corner, right? Like over here. So you're not gonna be really looking at my body. I don't know what camera angle we'll use, but you get the idea. That's more creepy. What's more creepy? You'll know. Well, I'll be sitting maybe, probably. Maybe. We'll see. I'm not 100% satisfied. I think I want I want the neutral face to just be an ellipse. I don't think I want the bean to be the default. Even though we did the bean and we solved the bean and we made it work. I don't think I like the bean. It looks good though? No, I don't think it looks good. I think it looks super derpy when my mouth's closed. I think the bean could look good, maybe for the smile. But I don't think we want the bean to be the primary like talking face. The open mouth should be the default. No. I don't just sit around with my mouth open. What? That would be strange. Thank you for the follow. Malpractice lawsuit. Welcome in. I don't know about you. Hi. We have a lot of different things we could work on. We could... Yeah, Kizzy is coming together. I mean, all thanks to you. You've been helping a lot, and I appreciate it. We still have the creepy face in the background, and I love that it's just there. Nobody pay attention to the... I feel like it's the nose that's drawing the attention. Maybe we should just turn off the clown nose and it'll be less creepy, you know? Also, my head violently lurching forward every time I blink. Very realistic. You should keep the face in the background as a framed picture in the scene. This face? Kuzi, were you here on day 1? Before we started doing Blender? I don't know if you were. I got some clips to show you. All right. Hold on. Let's go back to day 1. Listen, I'm in beta. This is V1. I think I look good though. I think it worked. I think it looked great. That's the only one we have. Okay, okay. We have a few avenues that we can go down today. We could continue iterating on the mouth. We could also start working on the shaders for rendering my body because I don't want this flat shading on my body. I want like, you know, anime shading. Um, a dress? No, no, no. I gotta get my cop outfit going. Yeah, obviously I'm gonna be a cop. Like, don't don't worry about it. Obviously. I love how drunk I look when I close my eyes. Like, reboot? Never heard of that. The police hat will do so much. All right, we need to figure out. I don't know how to do like what are the shader techniques for lighting anime? Where where does my browser go when I open it? It just doesn't. What is this? Oh, anime shader techniques. That's in Clip Studio Paint. Well, anime but non-toon look. Yeah, I think we do just want cell shading. Cell shading shader tutorial. Pink hair. No, I'm literally trying to make my avatar. Oh, this looks nice. How do I do this? Wait, I've been to this website before. Toon shading, often called cell shading, is a style designed to make 3D surfaces emulate 2D flat surfaces. Yeah, Wind Waker. Wind Waker is exactly what we want. All right, we start with a ball. So let's start by we're gonna make a new material for our mesh here. The body. Surface material override. New shader material. Save as skin. New shader. Skin. Alright, we're in. Set up our shader to receive lighting data. Yeah, so this is awkward because this is HLSL Unity, and we have to translate to the superior language. So what are they doing? Uh, okay. Godot GLSL reference. I need like a soundboard, like laugh sound when people make the bash jokes. That's what I need. I need like a really canned laughter button that I can hit. Damn. But like in a good way, you know? I tried to build an open source game I tinker with yesterday. It's pointing to Caprio. I need to get more Bash going on stream. It's been a minute since we've done anything fun in Bash. We gotta do something crazy, like implement SHA-3 or something. Swizzling. Minecraft and Bash already been done. You're too late to the party. Bash and Bash? Don't know if they've done that one yet. Bash and Minecraft. Now you're thinking. Now you're thinking with the portals. What am I looking at? This is the reference. So where's the reference of like inputs? And built-in functions. Her. Her. Spatial shaders. Here we go. Render modes. Vertex-based lighting. I don't know what any of this means. What is the first actual step? Unity object to world normal. Well, we definitely don't have whatever that does. Okay, this makes sense. So I know you can make your own light function. So we make no light function, what happens? Interesting. There's still some sort of shading happening. Based on what? Why is there still shading? How? Okay, it's not the specular. Is it the diffuse? No. Shadows? It's not shadows. I mean, we can do unshaded. That does that. I don't think that's what we want. Well, is it? Because he kind of started with unshaded. And then light is the enemy. Well, we're gonna do lighting. But this is happening in the fragment shader. Everything falls to pieces. What is the output color? It's like okay, so we don't have I. What is world normal? Do we get normals? How do we get normals? We get normal in the vertex shader. So I think what we have to do is we got to do the varying vec3 normal equals normal, right? Then we can read the normal. All right, we don't have the light position. Can we get that in Godot? Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. True if this pass is a directional light 3D. We might need a different tutorial because the lighting pipeline in Godot is kind of different. But we could also just make this uniform. So uniform vec3 directional light. Do 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 do. Constants cannot be modified. Wait. Which one? Color? But it's an in-out. Oh no. What's in-out here? Wait, we can just read normal in... I don't think we need this. We don't do color. We do in out. What? What is the fragment return? Why can't I remember how to do shaders? Let me peek at this. What does my fragment shader do? Albedo. That's the one. Albedo. Uh, Vec 4. 1, 1, 1. Huh. Oh, it's a Vec 3. I've been sneezing like crazy all day. I don't think that was it. Or is it just because my... Hold up. Is it just because my shader parameters... I don't have a... Oh. We just gotta position our lights now. That's kind of confusing to think about. Allergy? Yeah, I don't know what. Oh, we need to normalize this thing. We're glowing right now. Yeah, sure I am. Are we gonna need a subdivision modifier on this thing? Is it too... Are we too low poly? Oh, interesting. We're not getting the world position normal. Right, we need to get the other normal. That was not correct. All edges are hard. Hey, thank you for the raid. Wordstone Studio, how was your stream? What were you up to? We're invading. Welcome. We're messing with shaders, but I don't really know how to do 3D shaders in Godot or in general. I just kind of fake it until I make it. Trying to follow this tutorial, but it sure is for Unity. So there's a little bit of a mismatch. Yeah, especially when you're porting them to Godot. So that's something you can set on the model, right, Kuzi? You can like change the normal so that everything is smooth rendered. How does one do that? Hold on, I'm booting up Blender. Object mode. Okay, hold on. Object dropdown. Oh, I'm in edit mode. Shade smooth. Oh. Wow, I'm so smooth. Is that something I can do in a modifier by chance? Is there a playlist? No, it's literally just my Spotify on shuffle. It's chaos. Thanks for the follow. I have bones. Oh, goodness. What happened to my hair, though? Why? Oh, because we probably exported without applying modifiers. Geometry, mesh, apply modifiers. Try again. Boop. All right. That's looking good, but we're still using the wrong normals. Godot shader, get world normal. Okay. Yeah, what does this mean? Well, I don't have an inv camera matrix. Where am I supposed to get that? Okay, this is only in vertex. We'll just do this as a varying. Varying vec 4, vec 3, world normal. Does fish auto work? Damn it, princess. Yes. Normalize world normal. Wait, what? It's not even available here? But you told me it's real. Oh. Oh, view matrix. Oh, we have it in fragment too, dang it. Oh. Now wait a minute. Dot X? Dot what do you have? Why don't you have a dot X? What do you have? Hmm. Hmm. we're just gonna yoink this. Undo all that. And that. And we're back. Okay, we're cooking. Alright, when did our light get, like, flipped around, though? Oh, I think we can make a global shader param, actually, which would be pretty cool. So then we can have the directional light be... shader globals. Hell yeah. Light direction. Vec 3. And then how do I read it? You just do like global. Oh boy. Sure, I'm glowing again. Something like this. Okay, back to our tutorial. You shouldn't actually do it like this. You should probably use step. But whatever. Boom. I'm shaded. I'm cell shaded. Where actually is the light on my current avatar? Okay, now we need ambient light. We'll just steal from... Wait, what? How are you rating me? Are you restarting your stream? What's happening? No way you're done. Get back to your stream. Raid no- oh. Wait, what? You can raid without you can raid without ending your stream. You're so right, you can do that. That's funny. I've never even considered that. Alright. Have a good shower. Thanks for the follow, Code Girl 007. That's pretty funny. Appreciate the raid. Salute. Hey, no, it's not a me. Alright. Look at this. Now look at this. It's cell shaded. This isn't Bash. See, this is where I would hit the soundboard. If I had the soundboard to like do a laugh sound, this is where I would press the button right here. Be like ha 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 ha. You know what I mean? I think we should set that up. And it should like I should be able to click on the message. I should be able to click on the message and it'll show it on the screen and play the laugh track at the same time. I think that would be a good feature. We have to add our ambient lighting into the mix now. So we just pop this in here. This is illegal, right? You can't add a fucking Vec 4. Wait, what? Oh, you can. Can I Vec 3 this? No. How do you chop off the how do you make a Vec 3 out of a Vec 4? Dot XYZ? There we go. Okay. So we need to clamp the we need to normalize this. Oh no, wait, we don't want to normalize. We want to can you is there a vector clamp? See, the problem is I'm glowing because white plus white equals glowing white. How do I unglow? I could just use a less bright color here. What color is skin? Hold on, I'm gonna one try this. What color is skin? My skin is particularly. It's a tough one. Hold on. I have to just big brain it. What is it? It's like, ooh, oh, that's a strange color. All right, hold on. Let me cook. No, that's too subtle. That's too subtle. Uh, Less blue. That's too yellow. Way too yellow. It's still pretty pale. Why is it still so, like, I'm lowering the values a lot. No, that's... Alright. Nope, that's just pink at that point. Alright. 4 and 4. 3, 8. You think Fishbot died? Ain't no way. Don't know what you're talking about. Why is this so hard? Yeah, I should just color picker from my avatar. I gotta keep talking so I can screenshot it. Okay. Oh, but this is gonna be wrong because we're adding the light to it. Yeah, this still doesn't help me. It gives me the ratio though. So let's just do this because it's super scuffed. 241, 222. All right, so that's about as white as it gets. If I normalize that, yeah. If I normalize the whole thing. No, because that makes it all one color. We need to keep the intensity. Yeah, you can't really... I'm, I'm not that pale. Why is this so hard to get it to do what I want? Maybe shouldn't be max. This should be like that, and then this should be like 180, and this should be like 160. I mean, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. All right, see if I know. Oh, wait. Is it because... Okay. Times 0.9. Is that what we wanted to be doing this whole time? Is like keep the initial ratio. Okay, hold on. 255. What was good? It was like 210, 180, something like no. 160, 180. And then this is the value that you tweak. It's like 85. Still a bit red. I don't know. That was difficult. Let's just stick with that for now. Hi. Before going further, we'll soften the edge between light and dark to remove the jaggedness. Right now, the transition from light to dark is immediate and occurs over single pixel. Yeah, okay, smooth step. Hell yeah. Did it crash again? No. Are people crashing stuff? The crashing was probably just my, like, creds expired. That's usually what it is. Okay, blurred edge, nice, nice. I still wonder if we should subdivide my face, because this edge is a little wobbly. we may need to slap a subdivision on my mesh before we export it. Do you handle reconnect command from Twitch? Yes. The issue is that the access token only lasts 4 hours. So if I don't refresh it, I don't have it automatically refreshing right now. It's fine. Let's increase the ambient light a little bit, I think. 0.55. Yeah, I mean, I could do that. It's just like I never did. It really doesn't break too much stuff when it dies unless Twitch asks me to reconnect and I try to reconnect and it's not refreshed. Usually when stuff blows up. Honestly, it only broke because I never restarted it for the stream today. I've just been running it since yesterday. Okay, specular reflection. Specular component of Blin Feng. Eh? Oh. Oh, and we're doing rim lighting. Okay. Yeah, this is poggers. Ooh, I don't know how to do this shadows part. That is gonna be tricky. And I don't know if we care about shadows right now. Recognize. All right. World space view direction. Obtaining light in world space. Uh, What are we trying to get? World space view direction. World view direction in the vertex shader. Oh. Isn't that just our regular normal? Or no? Light intensity? I feel like we should be doing this in the... Oh, that's not quite the right. Oh, hey, Blaze. Welcome in. I feel like we're doing this all wrong. I wonder if I should just find a tutorial for Godot. Because I don't think we need to be doing this in the fragment shader. We have the lighting shader for this reason. Oh, but this one implements so many things. This is way too fancy.
So this is how the shader better specular.
It's got way too many settings. Come on. Don't want that. Want something I can understand. All right, let's see.
Let's talk about how to make your
Oh
game
god, it's
look
so
like a
loud.
cartoon.
I'm
Hi,
sorry.
I'm Mike, and today let's
Oh,
go over what it takes
that
to
was a jump
give your
scare.
game a cartoonish style. There's actually a couple of distinct elements that we'll cover here before we hop into Godot, where I'll show you a quick way to implement the shading side of things using the basic spatial.
You got code? Oh, you did this one. It's just when your shader has include files. I don't know, man. I just don't care this much. What are the includes? Oh my goodness. Don't want to install all this stuff. I'm too lazy. Like, how does this even work? Yeah, it's a bunch of if tabs. I mean, it is structured nice. So it doesn't use the lighting pipeline at all, which is interesting. It's just all in the fragment shader. I wonder why nobody uses the lighting shader. Maybe they just don't know how. Um, yeah, they don't really go into the lighting pipeline. Writing light processor functions is completely optional. You can skip the light function by setting render mode to unshaded. If no light function is written, Godot will use the material properties written to in the fragment function to calculate the lighting for you. For every light in every pixel. So it's really only useful if you've got multiple lights happening. What are the inputs to this thing? Alpha cutoff. What's this one? Oh, this one uses the light. Well, let's try this one because it's easier to get. Well, it's looking kind of strange. I don't know what any of this stuff means. Why is the rim like glowing? Oh, because the brightness is set to 20. It doesn't look very good. I wonder if it's because of the shadows. I think mine was better. I mean, maybe we are on the right track. We just gotta figure out how to do this specular, which involves getting this view direction. Um, we're not looking for the world position, right? Hmm. These matrices might as well be unnamed. I don't know what any of them mean. This fucking fish. Here we go again. These things are OP. They're all over the leaderboard.
Fatality.
We'll calculate the world view direction of v dot vertex. What the fuck is v dot vertex? This is a direction from the current vertex towards the camera. From the current oh, okay. Can't we just do that by, like, drawing a line? How do we get the world position of... Yes, we want the world position... Okay. Godot world position vertex shader. Airing vec3 world position. Shit, that's old, isn't it? Godot 4 world position. It's not world matrix, it's model space to world space transform. I think it's the model matrix. Guess who's back? Welcome back. World position. Worst handfish streak. You killed your own handfish. Oh, but that's an epic turtle. Maybe this turtle is gonna be the new champion. Let's put him to the test. Oh, that's a strong turtle. All right, fair enough, fair enough. Meep, are you good at shaders? Godot for spatial shader camera position. How to get world space camera position and shader. Just put it as a uniform. Uh... Yeah, okay. The varying thing that we actually want is the viewer. And this will be simply viewer equals normalize 2 minus from, so world camera minus world position. Easy. Oh, there's no camera matrix. What the fuck? Projection matrix. Okay, this gives us our viewer, which we delete that and we use the viewer. We add the specular. Damn it, that did the exact same thing. Is that the specular? Did it work? Think it VTuber time? Don't look at that. Why are you looking? But yes. Oh, there is a specular blob on my character now. Look at that. But it's not based on my camera position. It's like it's just there. It's supposed to be based on the camera position. So something went wrong there. I don't think projection matrix was right. View matrix? That's not better. It's not moving. Let's try the inverse view matrix. That's a thing that we can use. What the heck? Godot? Godot is eating my mouse. When I tab to Godot, I have no mouse. I've never seen this. It's not that I have no mouse on the window. I have no mouse at all. Now it's really gone. Okay, wait, we're back. We're back. Oh, it's locked. It's in the top left. What? How is my mouse locked? Let me close the cursed program. That was strange. No, I think I did. I was moving around here and then I alt tabbed out. Yep. Okay, you just have to right click. I was moving this camera around and I alt tabbed. And then when I came back in, my mouse is locked. But if I right click, it unlocks. That was confusing. Have we tried the inverse view matrix? by chance? That doesn't move it around either. What about the inverse projection matrix? No. What? Maybe model matrix is wrong. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, it puts the light there. I tried them all. None of them were the right one. All right, let's see. What is camera matrix Godot for? Inverse view matrix. So it was this one, but it doesn't work. Well, I mean, it's present. Isn't the specular supposed to move around as your camera moves around? Am I crazy? Is that not how it works? Yeah, well, it doesn't. Unless the sun is moving with your camera? Shouldn't be. Oh. Oh. I've got some blobs. That one's kind of moving. But I think that's something else going on. We can move our light. Oh, that's not the light. We can increase the glossiness. Oh, wait. That makes it smaller. 8. Boom. I've got big blob. Okay, we smoothed it out. What? What's wrong with my? You don't like my? You don't like my character? What if I do this? Will this make it better? Is this better for you? The blob kind of moves actually, just a little bit. Oh, see FLXP. Yeah, it's coming together. I'm pretty impressed with how far we've gotten in a short time span. Tell me to eat apples? Don't do that. Don't worry about where my hair went or my clothes or any of that. Just worry about the fact that I have a shiny bald head. You're curious? What are you curious about? Are you curious about me behind the scenes? Hello. Is Godot doing the webcam recognition? No. We're using a Python program called OpenCFace, and it's giving me this wondrous point cloud of data that you're looking at right now. And we're just reading it from a socket. So that's like running over here. And then Godot's just ingesting the data and doing all the interesting stuff from it. Yep. I still can't raise my one eyebrow. Ugh. I'm bad at the eyebrow games. You're gonna have yourself a VTuber? Hell yeah, do it. You can steal my code. It's all open source. Just don't steal my model, because you can do better. All right. What's next? Room lighting? New vacation. Okay, this looks easy enough. We just pop rim lighting in. It's a VEC 4. Mm, let me just slap it into the growing list of things that get added together. And we're glowing. This keeps happening. How do I make us not glow? Also, that seems more like what we want. What are they doing for rim amount? Valid assignment of... Oh. Hmm. Kind of looks strange. It's not exactly where I would expect it to be. Let's play with the light position. Oh, the rim lighting is like independent of that. Oh, wait, what? Okay, I definitely don't think that was doing what it was supposed to be doing. Maybe it's because of the clamp. Nope. How come it's sometimes visible and sometimes not? No, that isn't right. I think our vtuber is not correct still. Maybe it's the other way. No, no, we don't have... Oh. Okay, no, I don't think that's better. Somehow we have done the rim lighting wrong. Maybe let's try with a sphere. Yeah, our rim lighting is not it. The rest of what we done looks right. We screwed up somewhere in here. Hey, robotic head. You been lurking? So we did delete this 1.0 minus. That was one thing we did. Let's pop this back in. So that's doing that. Are we supposed to be using a different normal? That kind of looks like a glow. Yeah, that is a glow. Okay, we made it for now. Nice. So now we just need to do the smooth step on top of that. And it should work. Yeah, it's just subtle. Uh let's make these configurable. Uniform uniform rim rim amount uniform float. That's it. Okay. So why does it look so wrong on the model? I mean, that's what it's supposed to do, I think. So do I want my light somewhere else for this? Do I want my light, like, below? That would be strange. Alright, how creepy is this? The rim light is maybe a little bit intense. And so is the specular. We might just not want the specular on the skin. We might want it just on the on the hair. Middle of the head, the pointy thing, it needs more smoothing. Not really. I'm not gonna be bald. It's kind of a non-issue. Well, then cover your eyes. Okay, so I guess we can do the same thing for the rim color. And give this, this gets multiplied somewhere in here. Just call this rim. Okay. And let's pop out another color. That's the uniform albedo. Annoying. All right. So we can turn off the specular. I'm just setting these to 0. Did that also turn off the rim? No. Or we can just make it really subtle, like 0.2. And then I think we can use the same material in the hair. Oh, thank you. The hair will be skin. Wait, hold on. Nope. Oh, not what I meant. Make unique. Uh-huh. Just for now. I don't think they actually will be. Well, let's see. Let's see how it... Oh, what the heck? Oh, we never smoothed the... Oh, the specular blob still looks weird, even with that color. Yeah, we never smoothed the hair model. Uh-oh. Godot? Godot. We lost him. Wait, why is the specular so weak on the hair? What if I make this like 5? Yeah, something about it looks kind of strange. Can't put my finger on what it is. The mouth isn't finished. None of it's finished. Hmm. Yeah, what is it that looks weird about this? Oh, the glossiness is... Okay, all of... Oh, there's no shadow. That's one of the things that's weird. Yeah, doing the shadows feels difficult. Shadow opacity. Perfect. I think my whole face is cast in shadow by what is the sphere? Oh, it's that. This one? No. Oh, this is attached to me? Where's that other sphere? This one. Okay. Oh my god. Why am I transparent? Oh, I think I understand what's going on here. It's weird how at certain angles it goes away. Or does it just have to do with this? Okay. So how do I read attenuation based on distance or shadow? Uh-huh. That's my shadows? That doesn't seem right. Why do they look so bad? Oh, wait, what? This is different. Why is this different? Oh, wait. 1.0 minus attenuation? Oh, that looks maybe more like the shadows? Then do we just need to like smooth step this value? How do you do smooth step? Let's just do a step. Nope, that ain't it. 1.0? Hmm. Why does it look so strange? Can you have it running while changing stuff? Yeah, kind of. So is this actually shadows? Yeah. This is casting shadows onto that and changing stuff. Do we just need to like up our settings for shadows? I know the basic settings are really bad. Soft shadow filter quality. Ultra. 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 Doesn't seem to be helping. Hmm. Oh, it's just gonna be this one, right? Because this is the directional one. I don't think we have positional shadow. Do we? Hmm. Does it have something to do with where my positional light is? Or my directional light, rather? Well, it doesn't even work in this scene. Wait a minute, why is that? Huh. Where's our light? Feels like it's sliding on top of that. It's just because it's too big. We scaled it up. It's it was only supposed to be like that. This is how we modeled it, but then we found out that you could clip the head through. Seems like that might be fixed. I don't know. Did you consider or try Inoki? I no, I just wanted to do stuff from nothing because it seemed like fun. I didn't really look into any software. Oh, we're having some rendering issues here. my light in this scene is different than my light because we got the preview light. What is the direction of the preview light? And why doesn't my light work? Does my environment just not... It's open source, that's cool, but I'm making my own thing. What's causing this weirdness? Why is the ambient light affecting anything if we're unshaded? Well, we're not unshaded anymore, right? Well, we're never gonna get shadows with unshaded. Shadows are tricky, it turns out. How come my directional light doesn't seem to do anything? I find that surprising. Try while it's running. It's not going to be different. Why would it be different? Oh wait, shadows were off on this light? Well, that would explain why the shadows weren't working if they were turned off. Blur is not going to help too much. How do we make them sharper? We're already on the slow mode. Pancake size. Don't know what that means. Tune your distances. What does that mean? I'll be honest, I don't know what any of this does. Let's maybe stop us stepping our attenuation and just do it direct. Well, now we need 1.0 minus. You don't even need splits. Well, Orthogonal. Bigger pancakes. Oh. Like this? All right, is it just that my light is like not matching? Is it possible to... All right, let's do this. Attach script. Can I read the, what is it? It's like render server dot get global not global shader parameter get. Maybe we should do it the other way. Light direction based on, yeah, let's do it the other way. Let's set it to facing. And what is facing, you might ask? Facing is our global basis dot x. And this is a tool script. All right. Doesn't work. Imagine it did though. That would be cool. Let's try reloading this scene. Oh yeah. Now we're cooking. Let's see. So our light was something like... Wait, why is it backwards? Hold on. Maybe minus was not right. No, that doesn't look right. Is it the Z? Okay, that maybe looks right. You should tune the light's view frustum to be as tightly as you can around your character. You should tune... Where is that? I don't even know where that option is. The max distance or what? let's pop a smooth step on there. That's not enough to save it. It seems like we're doubled up on the shadows on my face now. Um, Probably because we're doing this as well. Nope, hold on. Light intensity. Uh, right. So there's already shadows there. Uh, we're not receiving shadows though. Like the hair is not casting a shadow onto my head, which is weird. At least I don't think. No, it's not. Why is that? I mean, bigger pancakes? Smaller pancakes? Oh, there. And now we got some shadows, kind of. It's not doing a whole lot of shadows. And the ones that it does are pretty glitchy. We could just... Hmm. Hmm. We could fake the shadows. But that's kind of jank. Why does that seem to have done nothing? Yeah, the hair shader is gonna need some tweaks. I shouldn't just have the blob like that. It's a little annoying that we don't have shadows. I want shadows, but is there a way I can do them myself? Because like my head should be shadowing my body. I'm not so worried about the hair casting a shadow. Get external assets? What does that mean? How could we fake a shadow? Like add-ons? No. Um, doesn't Godot have add-ons? Not really good ones. And also, not interested. Still need to fix this clipping issue. Meh. Oh, we have so many things to fix. I guess one thing to think about the hair is that the hat is gonna be there. Mine Kali, yeah. How to fake a shadow? What are shadows? If not Um, yeah, shadows are pain. I agree. .3D fake shadow technique. Oh, that's that kind of shadow though. What is this website? Ambient occlusion. That's a fake shadow technique. Hmm. We could have it painted onto, like, if we make a texture for my body, we could paint the shadow on, but it would have to, like, assume a certain, some stuff. Problem with the specular is it reveals that I have no nose. Because I haven't gotten that far yet. Relax. No. Me. Wanna cry? Why you wanna cry? It's 3 a.m. for you? Good morning. Don't know where to go from here. The shadows thing really is making me sad. It might be quitting time for the day. Short stream. Yeah. There can definitely be moments of pain using those. I know what you mean. Uh, let's see. Oh, that's not the right one. This one? Shadows are hard, it turns out. Who knew? Yeah, I'm gonna do more research on the shadow situation. Why do I want shadows? Because it looks weird without the shadows. There should be shadows. It's looking like something. Still got a lot of work. Some clothing before implementing shadows. web devs SMH code I saw on Twitter makes me depressed. You shouldn't let anything that you see on Twitter get to you. You gotta go into Twitter with a blank mind and go out with a blank mind. What is this? If your reaction to this code is visceral disgust, I urge you to get out of the web dev bubble occasionally. If your reaction to this code is visceral disgust, I don't get it. What's the problem? Am I supposed to hate this? Am I supposed to not hate this? It looks fine. Doing a... Let's see. T extends... Does a tuple not extend array? That's confusing. A bunch of ternaries plus the type system? I mean, I'd not let it go past the review. I think you just have never used TypeScript. This is pretty fine. Like this is just how you do it. You don't have if statements and types, you have ternaries. Like I'm a little confused by the extends. Like, is this an array and not a tuple? That's interesting. Does a tuple have to have stuff inside? Maybe. Our stuff sure isn't. What would you do instead of this? What, like, what would you write instead of this? What makes this code bad? Now I want to know. Now I'm invested. Like, is the idea that it's is the problem that it's solving what you don't like? Is the implementation what you don't like? Just normal generics. But TypeScript and Rust are not similar in any way, right? How do Rust generics help with this? I don't think this is terrible. I think this is... You think ands would work? No. You can't use and in types. These are type definitions, right? So we're making a utility type that... Yeah, I mean, okay. So this is a utility type that takes two types, and it returns true if they overlap. Oh, I see what's going on. I see what... Because this is empty. But I still think that's surprising that this wouldn't match just any tuple. Anyways, we're making a type that tells you whether or not two tuples overlap. And it's recursive because that's how you would make this kind of type. But code just isn't readable. I'm literally reading it to you. This part I would need to play with. I would need to understand what extends. This first part feels funky. But these are like some base cases. You're gonna go monkey with JavaScript? Alright. It takes like a minute to understand what it does. That shouldn't be the point. It takes 10 seconds to realize what it does because it's named well. I read this part and I know what it does. If I need to read the implementation of the code to understand what its goal is, then that's concerning. I think a lot of people just look at this and they say, that looks weird. I don't know what that is. I hate that. That doesn't look like my programming language. And it's like, it's really not that crazy. Sure. Can Rust define this kind of type? I don't actually know. I'm not a Rust expert. How do you do this in Rust? I don't know if you can. You probably can. Um, enum box. Yeah. I don't know. Point is, I don't think it's that bad. I think this is one of those things that you write it one time and then you put it in a file and you use it in like 2 places and then you go about your day and it doesn't really matter because you're never going to change this. It's why would you ever change it? It does like if you needed it to do something different, you would just write a different one. Well, yeah, I know how Rust enums work, but I don't feel like you can, right? Because this takes any 2 types and compares them. I don't think that's really a thing Rust can do. I mean, you could ask the question of when would you ever use this? And it's a good question. I I don't have a great answer. Trait? I'd have to see an example. I don't, yeah. I'm not like deep into the Rust type system. My Rust is very simple. Nesting that many ternaries is less a code smell. I think everyone who sees this, like, well, my reaction when I read stuff like this is these people think this is like code and not types. They think this is like implementation. Like type system stuff never looks readable like in any language. Rust is readable to you? I mean, like, what's yeah, okay. Uh read me some of this. Let's see. Where's a weird one? What, a handler param maybe? No. See, I don't even know how to get around on here. Where the handler? Add handler. Where's the confusing one? Query? What's up with this? Send plus sync plus debug plus static. Oh no, pulling up Evenio. Some of these docs had me like, okay, come on. Yeah, okay, yeah. No, this is a good expressive type system. We're still doing this shit. Yeah? This is your this is the god you choose to pray to? This happens in a lot of languages. We support up to 12, and if you need more than 12, you messed up. You need a different library, or you need a fork. You shouldn't need more than 12. 12 is way more than anyone would ever need. TypeScript has a similar thing, or used to. People have solved it with the recursive stuff. But like that's exactly the point, is like sure, the recursive stuff is hard to read, but it's better than this. It's an improvement at least. I can't remember which page. Is it just the tutorial? Like, I don't remember these docs. It's already left my brain. Meh. Meh. Yeah, and that's the thing, like I think that's the same with any language, right? Like people who use TypeScript a lot don't find this not unusual. I've seen way worse examples, by the way. If you wanna get angry at some TypeScript, if you wanna get angry at some TypeScript, this is where to go. So this thing, they basically implemented TypeScript in the type system. The type system is capable of parsing strings. It's like, yeah, it's like TypeScript in TypeScript. It's really messed up. Just poke around in this repo and like as a TypeScript enjoyer from time to time, this is too far. This is taking things much too far. Nice. Proud of you. Like, look at this. Look at this. This is... So, this is tame in comparison. This is the good take. Oh wait, is he being serious? They actually prefer the expanded types to the recursive? Whatever, I'll keep the like. C# definitely doesn't have this level of nonsense. You don't even know the half of it. you you haven't even opened Pandora's box of what level of nonsense C# has. Oh boy. This could not be more incorrect. Yeah, C# is, I'm just gonna say it's one of my least favorite programming languages. it's it's like simultaneously very dank and also very cursed. You're a .NET dev? Oh, I'm sorry. I've done a good bit of it back in the day, and yeah, they were like, what languages should we take inspiration of? Well, what languages do everyone love? They love Java and C++. And then somehow they went even further off the rails. I Oh, see, I'm a C++ fan. I love what they're doing. yields. Man, I'm glad they brought over the best feature in programming languages though, operator overloading. You gotta have it. You just can't like operator overloading is the most fun you'll have while programming. Like, oh, wouldn't it be cute if we could add two configs together? Wouldn't that be cute? That would be pretty cute. What does it mean for us to add them together? Well, you'll need to read the implementation to find out. Well, we're kind of ingrained in this meaning of adding two configs together, but we want a different pattern. So maybe we can multiply two configs together and that'll mean something else. That'll be a good idea. What does it mean to multiply two configs together? The best use of operator overloading is, yeah, config squared. That's you. We're gonna need the Wayback Machine for this. What was it? It was Silicon Framework. God, I can't type. Is it this one? It has a website, siliconframework.org. This is my favorite. Operator overloading genius. And you were complaining about the TypeScript code. Oh, the TypeScript code. Just you wait. This is peak. This is peak programming. You've never seen code so straightforward. So Silicon Framework is for building web apps, web servers. And this is how you declare an endpoint that would be, say, /hello world. Right? You might notice that you don't need any quotes here. That's because this framework is very good. Here's how you might make a post that has a parameter in the URL. And then you might also add a get parameter by, multiplying it in. You might also do some more post parameters. Multiply those in. I forgot to mention, yeah, the way we're getting this nice syntax is we're overloading the division operator. Similar to how this thing does it. Yeah. Yeah. Isn't this cute? Thank you. Thank you, C++, for putting this shit in the standard. Cursed C# code? Let's see. What's going on here? It's just really async. Okay. This is one of those things. I think you're just not you're not doing enough C#. Like this is normal. This is what C# looks like. All right, okay, wait. I I can't. Hold on. What the fuck is this? What does where do? I know about ref. I wish I didn't know about ref, but I know about ref. Is this C# language designer? Just stress testing, making sure everything's working. Strange. Just grab a bag of stuff that you wouldn't actually want to write. Let x bool equal return true. Based? Yeah, putting return in weird places in Rust is my pastime. What? Not sure. Punch card. All right. All right. Someone had too much fun. I like Rust too. But yeah, this thing is good. You should definitely be using this in production. We got middlewares. How do we do a middleware? I'm not seeing middleware. Oh, you just do your query here. What is How are we just doing queries? This is just built in? Okay, sure. Wait, what? What did you see? Oh, here. Yeah, but that's just normal stream stuff in C++. They are finally trying to walk this back, but it's too late. Honestly, this is just idiomatic C++. If your code doesn't look like this, you're not going to make it. Oh, dear. Oh, never mind. I thought we were doing some comma overload action. Can't do that anymore. They got rid of it. They actually deleted a feature in C++. Can you believe it? I couldn't believe it. A whole feature. Only the one, but they did it. They were like, comma overloading? No, no, that's just too far. We're going to have to walk that one back. Why would you ever need to overload the comma? It's been like 20 years and we haven't come up with a good reason. Maybe let's just delete the feature. And somebody somewhere went, oh my god, my app is so broken. I can never upgrade because the only function I ever use is the overloaded comma. They've got a dartboard with Bjorn's face on it. Alright, I think that's all I got. I need to go to bed. What is this? Return D name equals name? What is going on here? What do you mean? What did they mean by this? Why do we have a connection factory in my C++ code? Gosh darn Java devs sneaking in some factories. Ah, that's okay. I still think this is the most fucked up thing. These underscore placeholders. This is this makes me angry. You couldn't have just used strings. You had to use. I think one of the cool things that this thing actually did, is that if I remember right, your like routing table gets built at compile time. So you don't have to pay that upfront cost. You know, when you initially boot up the app, you don't have to compute the like routing tree. You just have it. It's just in memory already, ready to go. Such an important feature, you know? Those those milliseconds, those cycles, they add up when you're doing continuous deployment, you know? When you're deploying 10 times a day, those milliseconds turn into uh centiseconds. That took me a second. It's tough. It's tough out here. All right, who are we rating? Evan MMO? He's playing Pokey Rogue. Dev Dad? I like Dev Dad. Let's trade Dev Dad. You're very wholesome. Have a good night, everybody. We'll do more VTubing soon.